Let's go for maxing interval. Get 24 divided by 6 plus 3 times 1 equals 7. All right. 2, 3, 1, no signs. So we only have subtraction. I'm just going to use 2's, 1's, and 3's, I think. If I go 2 squared minus 3 minus 1 in parentheses, this equals 2. This looks perfectly fine. Okay, there are parentheses. We're probably going to have another exponent somewhere. 2, yeah, I'm probably squaring the 1. It's probably just 2 minus, and then 2 equals 0. 3 minus 1, I always go cubed. Yeah, well, I don't have a square, so this could definitely be the answer. Ooh, so close. Minus 10. Oh, it's 9, okay. 2 minus minus 7. So 3 minus 10 is negative 7. 2 minus negative 7 is 2 plus 7, which equals 9. There's a maxing interval for you, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.